In this video, I want to talk about a very common question that a lot of people would ask, which is wealthy affiliate a pyramid scheme or an MLM? Now, the short answer is no to both questions, but I'm going to go into a little bit more detail in this video. Let's get started. So, first of all, what is an MLM? Now, an MLM strategy basically encourages existing members of some company to sell their products and offerings to other individuals, and then to bring new recruits into the business. So basically, you sign up as selling some product for a company, and then you just keep trying to find more people who can also sell products for the company. Now, where this becomes illegal is in a pyramid scheme where there's actually no product and all you're doing is just recruiting people. So I sign up and then I get a bunch of people, I get one person to sign up, and then anytime someone gets someone to sign up, all the money flows to the top line. So I would make money on people that I get signing up, but also the people that they get signing up, and so on and so forth, all the way until you go down this steep pyramid to the bottom of the base, where people at the bottom make basically no money and only the people at the top are making money, and there's no real value being exchanged here. So pyramid schemes are purely illegal, and various multi-level marketing schemes are actually illegal as long as you have an actual product. Now, wealthy affiliate is neither one of those. So, for example, they've got an affiliate program, and so if you refer someone to, say, the free account, and then they end up getting a premium or premium plus, then you earn commissions. Now, if the person you refer actually becomes an affiliate themselves and they refer anyone, you don't make any money on that. Like, it's just, you only make money for the people that you bring in, and that's it. So this is not an MLM or a pyramid scheme in any way, shape, or form. It's just direct sales, direct affiliate marketing. That's all it is. So I hope that clears it up for you. If you want to try out Wealthy Affiliate completely for free, I've included my affiliate link in the description. You can get started, and I hope you found this useful. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments, and thanks for watching.